Hello, it's Daryl at the Automatic Trade Desk, trading all automatic today, the NQ, the mini future, the NASDAQ index. Here's the daily candlestick right here, okay? We're currently in a trade. We're short. You can see our bracket order over here, our entry, our target and stop, okay? It is April 11th, 2025. 11:26 a.m. and change Pacific time. We've been bouncing around now here, almost actually got into a stop situation right up in here, but didn't hit our stop, did it? Now we're closer to the target. Honestly, nobody knows whether it'll hit the target first or the stop. But I know because of probabilities, I have a data set that this strategy has a high probability of being profitable today. And the data set's been right so far. We've been taking a number of trades. You can see a good trade right there. You can actually see a stop right here. You can see another stop right here and another stop right here. So there have been a few targets and stops. Right now we're in another trade currently printing for us, okay? We'll check back into this trade in a minute. Well, I'm coming back in. It hasn't even been a minute. We're getting very close to the target. Call your attention over here to the buy order. We're short, so we're going to end this trade by buying, okay? As you can see, even though it's a green candlestick day, you can make money going short, okay? Right now our P&L is 1165. If we hit this target, you'll see that be adjusted, okay? Our current open P&L is around 1700 or so. Now, no one knows whether this will hit the target or stop first, but since we're close, I wanted to log in. This is absolutely no hands trading. In other words, once I set this, there's nothing I need to do. And so I'm sitting here watching it just so I can share with you and show you how this trading works. I purchased this automatic trading program, plugged in some parameters that I liked, tested them out, built a data set, and the data set told me to trade this today, okay? Whispered in my ear last night, the data set. I chose the strategy I was going to trade last night, long before the trading day started, and this is where we are today, all right? This type of trading, believe me, I traded discretionary for many years, okay? I took my first trade when I was 18, and I'm 66 years old today, turning 67 this year. And so I've been trading a long time. I traded discretionary for a long time. I traded all types of different kind of bots and things like that. Honestly, they didn't work. Discretionary trading was great, but I had to stare at the screen for thousands of hours, okay? Literally, all right? And so I have a lot of experience with price, a lot of experience trading, okay? Trading in both equities and futures market, Forex as well. Traded almost many of the futures all over the world. Traded the DAX, traded the Nikkei, all sorts of different ones. And I settled on the NQ and the ES. I mainly trade the NQ. And why do I only trade one? I know how to trade all this other stuff. Why do I trade only one? Because once you master one, I'm trading for money. That's all I need, okay? I don't need to bounce around and jump around, all right? So I'm going to check back in on this trade in a bit. Look how close it came to our target right there. It practically looks like it even touched it. So you're saying, oh, well, shouldn't you have gotten out? Shouldn't you have ended that trade? No, I let these go till their max P&L, okay? So we'll check back on this in a little bit. Okay, here we go. Take a look over here. We're coming close to our target right now. No hands trading. As you can see, we've kind of dinked around close to it, went back up to our entry, all sorts of stuff, okay? With automatic trading, do you give up? No. Does automatic trading give up? No. the fact is you don't have to be sitting here watching it, my friends, okay? So very close again to the target, but still bouncing around, okay? Jump around is what I say. Jump around. So we'll check back in a second. Okay, we're going to find out if this short is going to show us some love, okay? We bounced back up and now we're kind of easing our way back down. Nobody knows, as I said. I could just as easily hit the stop on this trade before the target. But I think it's kind of nice to be able to catch it when it actually is doing what hitting the target, because anyone can hit a stop, if you as you know what I mean, in the futures market, okay? So we're just kind of putzing around here in between our entry and the target, okay?